The question is whether or not the time complexity of the stack operation pop is O of 1. And so we know that the stack operation pop takes out that very top element of our stack. And so if I were to draw a quick stack and I do 3, 2, 1, pop would take out 1. And it would only take out that very top element of our stack, right? Because it's first in, last out. And so because we are not traversing through our entire stack, we're not traversing through anything, and we're only removing that very top one, it is true that the time complexity is constant, and it is O of 1, right? Because it doesn't take a for loop for us to remove something from the stack. So it is indeed true.